Okay, good morning, Mister. Good morning, friend. Thank you so much for the time given to me. My name is Ayumira Safitri, absent number 6. I would like to tell you about PRAS acts for assessment, diagnosis, intervention, implementation, and evaluation to the Pentin. Okay, first disease, lymphadenitis. Lymphadenitis is inflammation of the lymph nodes. This gland is part of the lymphatic system, which has an important role in maintaining the immune system to function properly. As for the expression, we usually use for data fulfillment purpose, like assessment. Example, can you tell me your identity like your name, date of birth, age, and can you tell me your home address? And diagnosis of treatment, example, do you have a fever? And does the skin in your lymph node area have redness? And planning of treatment, assess vital signs, observe whether there are other complications, and implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving reassurance. Example, assessing vital things and make observation whether there are other complications. And evaluation, recheck condition of pain. Example, did you make campus therapy effective enough to treat you? And have you compressed the swelling area regularly? Next, dental calculus. Dental calculus is starter all dental. Calculus is a deposit of plaque or food waste containing microorganisms or bacteria attached to the teeth. As for the expression we usually use for data fulfillment purpose like assessment, example, can you tell me your identity like your name, date of birth, and age? And can you tell me your home address? And diagnosis of treatment, example, are you an active smoker? And do you consume food or drink with high sugar content, such as candy, coke, or fizzy drinks? And planning of treatment, example, brush your teeth at least 2 times a day using fluoride containing toothpaste, and always check your teeth with your doctor, and last one every 6 months. And implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving reassurance. Example, recommend patients to brush their teeth at least twice a day and recommend patients to clean their teeth with dental floss at least once a day. And evaluation, recheck condition of pain. Example, have you brushed your teeth twice a day? Have you applied teeth cleaning using dental floss? Okay, next, incontinentia urine. Incontinentia urine is a condition of loss of bladder control. This condition is common and often makes the sufferer feel asthma. And as for the expression we usually use for data fulmination purpose, like assessment, example, can you tell me your identity, like your name, date of birth, and age? And can you tell me your home address? And diagnosis of treatment, example, have you ever or have any infection or complication after postoperative surgery? And do you often wet the bed while sleeping at night? And planning of treatment, example, doing floor exercise for hip and avoid consuming exercise caffeine. And implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving leisure, example, doing floor exercise for hip and avoiding drink that contain caffeine. And evaluation, recheck condition of maintain. Example, have you exercised regularly? Have you avoid drink that contain caffeine? Okay, next, emphysema. Emphysema is chronic or long-term disease resulting from to the alveolus, that is small air pocket of the lungs. And as for the expression, we usually use for data formation purpose, like a assessment. Example, can you tell me your identity, like your name, date of birth, and age? And can you tell me your home address? And diagnosis for of treatment. Example, are you an active smoker? And do you live or work in place that often involve first chemical such as factories and industries? And planning of treatment. Example, perform regularly check-up and exercise delicately, and implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving result. Example, conduct regular check-up and helping patient to carry out therapy in order to reduce alcohol and cigarette addiction. And evaluation, reach condition of patient. Have you succeed in reducing your alcohol and smoking addiction, and have you been able to overcome excessive anxiety and depression? Okay, next, this is hemorrhoid, or is smelling or enlargement of the blood vessel at the end of the colon or rectum and anus. As for the expression, we usually use for the fulfillment purpose, like an assessment. Example, can you tell me your identity, like your name, date of birth, age, and can you tell me your home address? And diagnosis of treatment. Example, do you feel a hard lump that feels off to the touch near the anus? And do you often have an itchy anus? And planning of treatment. Example, consumption of fibrous food and liquids, and do not delay the desert to defecate, and implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving return. Example, eating fibrous food and liquid, and providing education to patient so as not to delay the desert to defecate. And evaluation, reach a condition of patient. Example, have you consumed fibrous food regularly, and do you understand and can apply education not to delay the desire to defecate? Next, bronchitis. Bronchitis is irritation of inflammation in the walls of the bronchial tubes, that is pipes that deliver air from the throat to the lungs. And as for the expression, we usually use for data fulfillment purpose, like assessment. Example, can you tell me your identity, like your name, date of birth, and age? And can you tell me your home address? And diagnosis of treatment. Example, do you have a fever? Do you experience chest pain when coughing coughing or breathing? And planning of treatment. Example, drink water 8 to 12 glasses per day, and get enough rest, and inhale warm water vapor to relieve cough and dilute mucus in the respiratory tract to make it easier to remove. And implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving return. Example, education patient to be able to drink 8 to 12 glasses per day, and providing the patient with adequate rest. And evaluation, rest check condition of patient. Have you applied to drink 8 to 12 glass per day, and have you rested enough? Okay, next, muntaber. Muntaber is inflammation in the walls of the gastrointestinal tract, in particular the stomach and intestines. As for expression, we usually use for daily, fulfillment purpose like assessment. Example, can you tell me your identity like your name, date of birth, age, and can you tell me your home address? And diagnosis of treatment, example, do you have an infection or complication? And have you ever been in close proximity or direct contact with sufferers such as shaking hands? And planning of treatment, example, do a stool sample examination and do not share personal, culturally, and toiletries. And implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving results, example, conducting a stool examination and accuracy painting, not to share personal, cutlery, and toiletries. Evaluation, recheck condition of painting. Example, how do you feel after doing a stool check-up? And are you no longer sharing personal cutlery and toiletries? Okay, next. Graves. Graves is an autoimmune disease characterized by the thyroid glands becoming overactive and overproducing thyroid hormones. And as for the expression, we usually use for that fulfillment purpose, like assessment. Example, can you tell me your identity, like your name, date of birth, age, and can you tell me your home address and diagnosis of treatment? Example, do you have a family history of Graves' disease, and are you experiencing stress? And planning of treatment. Example, consumption of corticosteroid drugs, which have been prescribed by a doctor, and use sunglasses to avoid sun exposure, and implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving research. An example, giving corticosteroid drugs, and recommend using sunglasses so that the eyes avoid sun exposure. And evaluation, recheck condition of painting. Example, have you taken the corticosteroid medication I gave you? And have you used black glasses to avoid sun exposure? Okay, next. Tonsil. Tonsil is an organ of small size located in the back of the throat and is part of the lymphatic system or lymphatic nodes. Or lymphatic nodes. And as for the expression, we usually use for data fulfillment purpose like assessment. Example, can you tell me your identity like your name, date of birth, age, and can you tell me your home address and diagnosis of treatment? Are you cooking and your voice hoarse? And do you feel weak? Planning of treatment. Example, consume sore throat relief drink such as tea or warm water mixed with honey. Honey. And drink enough water to keep the throat moist and prevent dehydration. And implementation of treatment during the treatment and giving result is example, recommend the painting to rinse your mouth using saline solution and encouraging painting to consume enough water. And evaluation, recheck condition of painting. Example, have you reside your mouth using saline solution and have you consumed water? Okay, next. Uritis is inflammation or swelling of the urethra, that is the duct that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. And as for expression, we usually use for data fulfillment purpose, like assessment. Example, can you tell me your identity like you name, date of birth, age, and can you tell me your home address? And diagnosing of treatment. Have you ever had an injury that caused a disorder in the urethra? And have you ever experienced penis emitting a thick liquid of greenish yellow color? And planning of treatment. Example, avoid having sex with multiple partners and meet the needs of body fluid by drinking alone. In implementation of treatment, during the treatment and giving return, example, advocating to avoid having sexual relation with multiple partners and meet the need of fluid by drink alone, and evaluation, a reject condition of parenting. As example, are you no longer having sex with many people and have you consumed a lot of water? Next, okay, that's all about process asking for assessment, diagnosis, intervention, implementation, and evaluation to the parenting. If there is wrong word pronunciation, I do apologize. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.